Get ready for a thrilling chess game. Like and subscribe to join the fun. Pawn to e4.
Pawn to e5.
Knight to f3.
Knight to c6.
Bishop to b5.
Knight to f6.
Kingside castle.
Knight captures on e4.
Pawn to d4.
Knight to d6.
Bishop captures on c6.
Pawn captures on c6.
Pawn captures on e5.
Knight to f5.
Queen captures on d8 check.
King captures on d8.
Knight to c3.
Bishop to d7.
Pawn to h3.
Pawn to h6.
Pawn to b3.
Pawn to c5.
Bishop to b2.
Knight to d4.
Knight captures on d4.
Pawn captures on d4.
Knight to e4.
Pawn to c5.
Rook from file to d1.
King to c7.
Pawn to c3.
Pawn captures on c3.
Bishop captures on c3.
Rook to g8.
Pawn to f4.
Rook to d8.
Rook from file f to e1.
Bishop to c6.
Knight to d6.
Bishop captures on d6.
Pawn captures on d6 check.
King to c8.
Rook to e7.
Rook to d7.
Rook to d3.
Rook from file g to d8.
Rook captures on d7.
King captures on d7.
Bishop captures on g7.
Pawn to h5.
King to f2.
Pawn to a5.
Rook to g3.
King captures on d6.
Rook to g5.
Pawn to h4.
Pawn to g3.
Pawn captures on g3 check.
King captures on g3.
Rook to e8.
Bishop to e5 check. The game is over. It ended in a draw.